I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Make sure your AirPods Pro 2 are paired and your iPhone or iPad is updated. Once paired, keep Bluetooth on and ensure both AirPods have decent charge. Now open Settings and go to Bluetooth, then tap the small eye next to your AirPods entry. This takes you to Device Options. This first actionable screen is where Spatial Audio settings live, so don't leave Settings until you see the AirPods Detail page and the Spatial Audio toggle area. You'll enable Spatial Audio from the AirPods Detail view. Flip the Spatial Audio toggle to On. Next, select the mode. Fixed keeps a stable soundstage. Head tracked adapts audio to your head movements. Choose what feels natural. Once done, play compatible content like Dolby Atmos tracks in Apple Music or supported apps and open Control Center. From the audio card, you can verify Spatial Audio is active and switch between modes on the fly. Make sure App Audio supports Spatial Audio to hear the effect. Finish by testing with Dolby Atmos content and checking fit. A loose seal affects perceived spatialization. If Spatial Audio doesn't engage, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect the AirPods. If that fails, unpair and repair from settings or restart your device. As a last step, update iOS and, if necessary, reset network settings. This resolves lingering connection or profile issues. One troubleshooting tip: check app-specific audio formats and ensure Spatial Audio support is available for the track you're playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.